Welcome to the Market Mentors Academy. Today, we're diving into the fascinating history of the largest financial market in the world, the foreign exchange market, or Forex. From ancient barter system to lightning-fast digital trades, the evolution of currency exchange is a journey of innovation, power, and global integration. Long before currencies existed, people exchanged goods through a barter system, but as societies grew, this became inefficient. Enter metal money, gold, silver, and bronze coins, which was first used in 600 BC in Lydia, modern-day Turkey. Coins made trade easier, especially across regions. The Roman Empire standardized coinage across its territories, an early step toward global currency exchange. The age of exploration brought global empires and with them, complex currency systems. By the 19th century, the gold standard locked major currencies to a fixed amount of gold, creating the first globally accepted exchange system. Hammers shape electrum coins, furnaces roar, fiery breath dances. Slaves haul baskets of ore, their rhythmic movements weaving a tapestry of weariness amidst the relentless industry. Mints hawk-eyed overseers ensure perfection. A bustling Roman port pulsates with life, its vibrant energy a spectacle of maritime commerce. Amid the chaos, the air is thick with the briny tang of the sea and the alluring sense of distant lands. The cacophony of shouts and haggling forms a symphony of commerce, echoing across the bustling harbor. Coin clink, quills scratch, medieval office. Money changers, with furrowed brows and intense focus, meticulously weigh each coin on delicate scales. Transactions are immortalized in sprawling, leather-bound ledgers, each entry a testament to the day's fortunes. Amidst the colorful chaos, each stall tells its own unique story, filled with exotic goods and cultural treasures. Marketplace buzzes with lively trade. Buyers and sellers animatedly barter. Warm sunlight bathes vibrant scene. Medieval trade spurred currency exchange. This gave rise to the first money changers, medieval Forex traders. Gold standard. Stable 19th century currencies. This era saw the formation of central banks to control national currencies. The Bank of England and later the U.S. Federal Reserve became major players in maintaining economic order. While the gold standard offered stability, it wasn't flexible. During major wars and economic crises, world wars shattered the gold standard. Currencies crashed. To restore order, world leaders like those in the Great Depression had to suspend gold convertibility. This led to the need for a new global financial structure. The Roman Empire. Standardized coinage. A stark reminder of the power and unity forged by a single currency. Global trade's vibrant heartbeats. Medieval Forex traders. The first money changers, revealing the historical roots of modern financial markets. The ancient scales of money changers, whispering tales of early currency conversion. In 1944, the world gathered in Bretton Woods, New Hampshire. The outcome? A system where currencies were pegged to the US dollar and the dollar itself was backed by gold. This laid the foundation for the modern Forex system as global trade resumed after World War II. The US dropped gold convertibility in 1971. Other countries followed, and the modern era of floating exchange rates began. In traditional financial markets, a trading pit is a physical area on a trading floor where brokers and dealers gather to buy and sell financial instruments. It's a designated space, often shaped like a small amphitheater, where open outcry trading takes place. While electronic trading has largely replaced floor trading, some exchanges still have pits in operation, such as the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE. The Bank of England stands as a formidable fortress of finance, its architecture a silent testament to centuries of economic stewardship. Its stoic facade whispers tales of fiscal triumphs and tribulations, its very stones imbued with the weight of global finance. In the heart of the city, the bank remains a bastion of economic order, its presence a constant reminder of the delicate balance it strives to maintain. In the conference room, a photo of the Bretton Woods Conference looms, a stark reminder of a pivotal moment in history. Amidst the ruins of post-World War II in Europe, a resilient spirit rises as reconstruction begins, marked by the stark contrast of rubble and the promise of renewal. Economic currents surge through the war-torn land, symbolized by USD transactions, heralding a new era of global trade and recovery. In a stark declaration of hope, the world's global trade resumes after World War II, a testament to human resilience and the dawn of a new economic age. On the television screens, Nixon emerges, heralding the end of an era as he declares the closure of the gold window. The on-screen text ominously flashes, signaling the end of an economic era. The 1980s and 90s introduced computer-based trading. Banks and institutions accessed live currency quotes, while brokers executed orders over the phone. But the real revolution came with the internet. In the year 2000, retail traders gained access to the Forex market via trading platforms like MetaTrader. Forex trading volumes exploded from billions to trillions daily. With 24/5 access, leverage, and advanced tools, Forex became the most accessible and liquid market in the world. In the heart of trading floors, monitors flicker with the dawn of a new era. 2000s. Retail traders access Forex. The screens illuminate the faces of those on the cusp of financial revolution. The software becomes a portal, granting retail traders access to the once exclusive world of Forex. In the subdued intensity of home offices, traders sit poised before screens ablaze with complex charts, a silent testament to the dawn of accessible Forex trading. The air vibrates with anticipation, a subtle hum of technology underscoring the monumental shift as Forex trading democratizes access. On screens, the world of Forex trading becomes accessible, flashing boldly, heralding a new era of financial empowerment. Today, Forex trading is driven by technology, algorithms, and global events. Central banks, hedge funds, and retail traders alike participate in this dynamic market. With the rise of cryptocurrencies, blockchain, and AI, the landscape continues to evolve. From ancient traders to algorithmic bots, the story of Forex trading is a story of human progress. And now, you are part of it. Inside a press conference, global events and central bank influence looms large. From trading pits to modern trading floors, the future is set. AI and algorithmic trading flickers across the screens. In the heart of a modern trading room, a symphony of focused intensity unfolds as traders navigate a world of real-time charts and crypto coin symbols. Above the frenetic activity, a colossal screen declares, "The evolution continues," echoing the relentless pace of the digital frontier. The air crackles with anticipation as each trader navigates the volatile currents of the cryptocurrency market, their eyes glued to the ever-shifting data streams. Skyscrapers pierce the sky as the narrator declares, "Forex, a story of human progress." In London, ancient structures blend with modern towers under the shadow of history. Tokyo pulses with relentless energy, a neon-lit metropolis where fortunes are made and lost in the blink of an eye. Hong Kong's skyline pierces the horizon, a symbol of ambition and relentless pursuit. Traders huddle around screens, their faces illuminated by the glow of data streams, a silent symphony of high-stakes decisions. Across the ancient trade route, a vibrant map awakens, revealing the pulse of exchange. Barter locations ignite with life, showcasing the convergence of goods and cultures across the continents. Inside the Federal Reserve Bank vault, the Victorian-era architecture stands in stark contrast to the gleaming stacks of gold bars, creating a scene of opulent grandeur. The air shimmers with wealth as light dances across the perfectly stacked gold bars, each ingot a symbol of power and prosperity. In this fortress of fortune, the weight of the world's desires seems tangible, as each gold bar whispers tales of ambition and conquest. Inside the financial newsroom, gold prices and exchange rates flash across the screens, signaling a day of intense market activity. Reporters work feverishly, faces lit by monitors. The relentless pace and focused intensity of the newsroom create a palpable sense of urgency as financial stories break. Inside the austere halls of the government building, hushed meetings of central bank officials unfold. Amidst the composed faces, a symphony of silent negotiations and strategic calculations takes center stage. The fate of nations hangs in the balance, veiled behind closed doors and whispered debates. Beneath the expanse of daylight, the Bretton Woods resort emerges as a verdant sanctuary. In the hallowed halls of the conference, the air vibrates with anticipation as history is etched onto paper. The scratching of pens becomes the soundtrack of destiny, each stroke sealing an accord that would echo through generations. Hushed whispers weave through the room, carrying the weight of nations and the promise of a new global order. The U.S. Treasury stands as a powerful symbol of wealth and security under the bright daylight. The legendary Fort Knox gold reserves, a vault of unimaginable wealth, remain impenetrable, guarded by layers of security. In the solemn Oval Office, Nixon prepares to address a nation on edge, the weight of his words hanging heavy in the air. President Nixon's every move scrutinized. Nixon's words, a nation's fate. The heart of Wall Street pulsates with unrest as protesters converge, their collective fury aimed squarely at the soaring dollar. A sea of faces, etched with frustration and defiance, rises against the monolithic structures of financial power. The floating dollar, a symbol of both aspiration and despair, becomes the focal point of a nation's discontent. In the dimly lit early computer lab, the air crackles with anticipation as programmers furiously type lines of code. The scent of ozone hangs heavy in the air, a testament to the raw power and potential of the nascent trading system. Bathed in the eerie glow of the computer screens, faces reflecting a mixture of focus, hope, and the relentless pursuit of innovation. In the heart of the bank trading room, traders hover over their terminals, creating a symphony of clicks and murmurs that fills the air. Fingers dance across keyboards in a flurry of currency trades, each keystroke a calculated risk in the high-stakes game. The room pulses with a low hum of electronic energy, a digital heartbeat driving the relentless pace of global finance. Amid the chaos, hushed conversations weave through the air, whispers of fortunes made and lost in the blink of an eye. In a vibrant prop trading firm, the glow of screens illuminates a gathering of individuals immersed in the digital realm. Amid the quiet hum of technology, each person navigates their own world, connected yet separate. The prop firm pulsates with the energy of countless stories unfolding, as each screen reflects a unique journey in the digital age. In the modest home office, the dawn of online trading unfolds on early desktop computers. The screen flickers with the promise of fortunes, as early online trading platforms offer a glimpse into a new financial frontier. The office is a silent theater where the digital drama of early online trading plays out. The financial district pulsates with vibrant energy, where towering skyscrapers pierce the sky, reflecting the ambition and power of the city. The architectural grandeur of the financial district serves as a testament to the city's economic strength and futuristic vision. The district stands as a symbol of wealth and innovation, where light dances on the polished surfaces of the towering structures. Inside the high-stakes hedge fund office, glowing screens cast an eerie light as managers navigate a labyrinth of complex market data. The managers pore over charts and figures, their faces etched with concern, as the weight of financial uncertainty bears down on them. A palpable tension fills the room as the fate of fortunes hangs in the balance. In the heart of the data center, servers hum and blink in perfect harmony, a symphony of digital prowess. Wires twist and turn, the conduits of Forex transactions, powering the pulse of global finance. In this temple of technology, the air hangs cool and still, a sanctuary where machines reign supreme. Bathed in sunlight, attentive students fill the lecture hall, their gazes fixed on the professor at the forefront. Sunlight weaves through the air, highlighting the dance of dust motes as the professor gestures towards intricate Forex trading charts. The intricate world of Forex trading unfolds on screen, captivating the students with its complexity and potential. In a sleek, modern studio, news anchors deliver the latest updates against a backdrop of volatile Forex market data. Their practiced professionalism, a stark contrast to the financial storm brewing. The anchors maintain composure as they bring the audience the latest news. Sunlight floods family homes, each ray a stark reminder of the financial storm gathering within. Around the table, faces etched with worry reflect the weight of financial documents looming before them. In the quiet of the sunlit room, the unspoken dread of financial uncertainty hangs heavy in the air. Under the scorching sun, small businesses flourish in a developing nation, fueled by advantageous exchange rates. Amidst the lively chaos, vendors display their wares, inviting customers to engage in spirited bargaining. The air vibrates with the energy of commerce, as each transaction weaves a tapestry of hope and opportunity. Inside the fintech startup, developers gather around monitors, their focus intense, faces reflecting the glow of lines of code. In the heart of innovation, they are absorbed in developing cutting-edge Forex trading technologies. Their collective energy fills the room, driving forward to push the boundaries of financial technology. Within the government treasury, the weight of national responsibility permeates the air as officials meticulously manage stacks of currency and gold. The atmosphere is thick with quiet intensity. Every movement reflects the immense responsibility of safeguarding the nation's wealth. At the bustling international airport, travelers converge around a currency exchange kiosk, their suitcases hinting at journeys near and far. Amidst the flurry of transactions, suitcases stand as silent witnesses to the myriad stories of arrivals and departures. The air crackles with anticipation and farewells. The art gallery stands as a silent narrator, its walls adorned with artworks that echo the long and winding history of money and trade. Each brushstroke and canvas choice whispers tales of fortunes won and lost, of civilizations rising and falling on the tides of commerce. The gallery transforms into a portal through time, where the essence of human ambition and the relentless pursuit of wealth are captured in timeless artistry. In the heart of the rural village, a digital dawn breaks as villagers gather, their faces glowing with the light of Forex markets on their mobile screens. Amid the quiet hustle, expressions range from joyous smiles to furrowed brows, reflecting the volatile dance of gains and losses in the Forex markets. A silent revolution unfolds as mobile banking transforms the lives of villagers, connecting them to global financial markets with a simple touch. Inside the training center, aspiring Forex traders are engrossed in a world of complex charts and graphs, their focus palpable. Sunlight pours through expansive windows, casting a radiant glow that dances with dust motes, illuminating the room. The air crackles with anticipation, each trader poised on the edge of financial possibility. Economics students are engrossed in the fluctuating world of Forex, their faces reflecting the intensity of market trends under the open sky. Animated discussions erupt among small groups, their passionate debates painting a vivid picture of bullish optimism and bearish caution. Brows furrowed in deep concentration, individual students pore over intricate charts, navigating the volatile currents of global finance. Whispers of bullish, bearish, and volatility dance on the gentle breeze, a constant reminder of the high stakes at play in the world of economics. Sunlight floods the library, highlighting the dance of dust motes as researchers delve into the depths of historical Forex data. With towering shelves and scattered documents, each researcher searches for the secrets hidden within the numbers. The air vibrates with the untold stories of fortunes won and lost, echoing through the silent halls of the library. Stock exchange, electric anticipation. The air crackles with the frenetic energy of traders and brokers, their eyes glued to the fluctuating numbers. Every tick of the clock echoes the high stakes of the market, where fortunes can be made or lost in an instant. Inside the high-frequency trading firm, a symphony of glowing monitors and the quiet hum of servers create an intense, data-driven atmosphere. Traders, like digital gladiators, are hunched over their desks, their eyes locked onto the screens as they engage in a silent battle of algorithms. In this arena of high stakes, a palpable tension permeates the air as algorithms clash in a relentless pursuit of micro-profits. In the hallowed halls of global diplomacy, sunlight bathes the polished table, illuminating the gravity etched upon the faces of the world's leaders. Tension is in the air, as each leader a silent sentinel in the theater of international accord. The fate of nations hangs heavy in the balance, as each word, each glance, carries the weight of 1,000 destinies. Across a vast expanse, gleaming solar panels stand in silent ranks, capturing the sun's radiant energy. Beneath the hum of technology, wires weave like veins, channeling power to the heart of Forex trading servers. In the heart of technological innovation, Forex trading servers silently orchestrate financial currents. Inside the cybersecurity firm, a symphony of glowing screens illuminates the relentless battle against digital threats. Technicians guard Forex platforms. Every line of code, every blip on the screen, holds the potential to avert financial chaos. Bathed in sunlight, Friends gather outside a bustling coffee shop, their table a landscape of charts and notes. Laptops gleam under the sun's warm rays as animated discussions of trading strategies fill the air. Gestures and fervent expressions highlight the intensity of their financial discourse. In a high-tech financial news studio, expert analysts convene around a polished table, dissecting the volatile Forex market with cool precision. The air is filled with anticipation as analysts scrutinized every upward tick and downward spiral of currency values. Behind the scenes, a silent storm of numbers and predictions brews, shaping the economic fates of nations. Under the relentless sun, time-worn trade routes snake across the vast, unforgiving desert landscape. Inside the Maritime Museum, exhibits on maritime trade and currency exchange whisper tales of bygone eras. Under the vast sky, stand the silent ruins of ancient trading centers whispering tales of forgotten commerce and bygone eras. Sunlight casts long shadows, illuminating the intricate carvings and fractured walls that once echoed with the voices of traders and merchants. The wind sweeps through the deserted pathways, carrying the echoes of bustling marketplaces and the ghosts of ancient transactions. Inside the Modern Art Museum, exhibits on finance and technology stand as stark reflections of our times. Abstract sculptures and interactive displays challenge perceptions of value and innovation. Visitors wander through the exhibits, their faces a mix of intrigue and contemplation. In the heart of the urban park, a silent symphony of digital engagement unfolds as people become absorbed in the glowing screens of their smartphones. Fingers dance across touchscreens, each swipe and tap a calculated move in the high-stakes game of Forex trading. As the air crackles with unspoken intensity, the virtual reality lab pulses with the quiet energy of humming computers. Screens flicker with the intense simulations of Forex trading. The air vibrates with technological promise as advanced systems silently prepare to reshape reality. From the tranquil expanse of the space station, Earth resembles a fragile blue marble, its financial markets pulsating with invisible energy. Advanced satellite technology offers a bird-eye view of the frenetic activity of global financial markets. On screens, financial markets surge and plummet, reflecting the heartbeat of global commerce. In the heart of the future city, holographic displays flicker with the pulse of real-time market data, painting a vivid portrait of global finance. Clad in minimalist attire, traders gesture effortlessly, manipulating complex algorithms with the grace of conductors leading an orchestra of numbers. The air shimmers with augmented reality, revealing intricate patterns of global financial flows, a mesmerizing dance of data and destiny. Silent guardians of the city's infrastructure, robots glide with unnerving precision, their movements a ballet of efficiency and control. Global marketplaces burst to life in a vibrant montage, a symphony of human exchange and commerce. Modern trade centers pulse with technological energy, as shipping containers are loaded amid the relentless hum of electronic stock tickers. Bright computer screens flash with haggling, the lifeblood of global trade, as fortunes are made and lost in the blink of an eye. Inside a documentary studio, the cameras stand ready to capture the dynamic evolution of Forex trading. The set is meticulously arranged to showcase the historical progression and modern innovations of Forex trading. The atmosphere buzzes with anticipation as the crew prepares to unravel the complex world of Forex trading. Cities pulse, Forex markets dance. Towering screens display fluctuating numbers, casting an aura of anticipation and anxiety across the cityscape. Expert analysts dissect the Forex market's every move, their insights cutting through the noise. The simulation lab awakens with the low thrum of servers, a digital symphony of data and calculations. Monitors glow with an ethereal light, casting shadows over the faces of focused traders immersed in a world of rapidly changing numbers. Each station stands ready, a gateway to simulated realities where traders test their skills against the unpredictable tides of the market. It was the beginning of decentralized finance and information. You now have the option to participate. Will you take advantage of this opportunity?